Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Buffer social media accounts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Buffer social media accounts, start by opening the Buffer app or website. Log into your Buffer account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the settings icon, typically found in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Account tab. Click on the Account tab to view your account information. Scroll down to find the Disconnect Social Accounts section. Here, you will see a list of all connected social media accounts. Select the account you wish to disconnect first. Click the Disconnect button next to that account. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation. Confirm that you want to disconnect the account. Repeat this process for each social media account you want to reset. Once all accounts are disconnected, return to the main dashboard. Now, go to the Connect section to add new social media accounts. Choose the platform you want to connect to Buffer. Follow the prompts to log in and authorize Buffer to access your new account. Once authorized, the new account will appear on your Buffer dashboard. Repeat the connection process for any additional social media accounts. After connecting, review each account's settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Your Buffer social media accounts are now reset and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.